Hey folks, Warren here at Phillips Chevrolet out in Frankfurt, the #1 Chevy dealership. We're sitting here in a 2018 Chevy Traverse, and I'm going to show you guys how to put your Traverse in teen driver mode. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go on your Chevy modeling screen, you're going to hit settings, you're going to go to teen driver. You're going to put in a PIN easy 4-digit PIN that only you can remember, a PIN probably that your teens won't remember, but only you will. So right now I'm just going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Click enter, and now the vehicle is set into teen driver mode. So it will give you a report card each time your teen is driving the vehicle, and you want to know how fast they're going, if they excessively braked, anything like that. And how you can do that: as soon as they give you the keys back, all you have to do is hit view report card. It'll show you the distance driven, the maximum speed, the overspeed warnings, wide open throttle, traction control, etc. And if any time you think that the teen probably got your code, got the PIN, all you got to do is hit reset, and it'll clear all the reports and it'll clear everything else. And you go back, and that's how you put the vehicle into teen driver mode.